Orders is the dashboard's read-mostly view of every drop-off ticket your shop has opened. One filterable table to find a specific order, a date-based board to eyeball the next few days, and a detail page with the loads, payments, and manual overrides owners need when something needs unsticking. Click Orders under Sales in the sidebar to open the page. Each row is one order. The table shows the receipt number, ticket number, customer, phone, amount, a payment badge, the workflow status, the scheduled and created dates, and the store on multi-branch tenants. Tap any sortable header to re-rank the list. Type in the search box to find an order by customer name, phone number, or receipt number. The match is case-insensitive and debounces for 0.6 of a second before requerying. Tap the Board tab to group orders by their scheduled pickup date. Unscheduled lands first, then yesterday, today, tomorrow, and the next few weekdays. The Today column is highlighted so it's easy to lock onto. Each card shows the customer name, a workflow badge, a payment badge, an optional receipt number, and item icons with counts. Workflow stages are advanced from the POS or the stations. The dashboard board surfaces them so owners can monitor at a glance. Click any card or any row in the table to open the order detail page. Inside, you can override a load stage, edit notes, change the scheduled date, mark the order paid or claimed, and resend the Ready for Pickup SMS. Heads up, opening this page needs the Sign In to Dashboard permission, and deleting an order needs the Delete Orders permission on top. The default owner, admin, and manager roles hold both. Cashier holds neither at the dashboard level. Cashier's work orders from the POS order board instead. Grant the dashboard permissions in Roles and Permissions if a non-manager needs access here.